Um, Good morning, my potential Udemy students. It's Tracy here. I'm just here making the promotional video for this course that I've designed, Learn Time Series Analysis, Forecasting, and Enter a Competition. So basically, what I'm going to do in this course, the course has 4 sections. It has an introductory section, and then it has a section where we explore different models for time series, and then it has a section where we go over the code in projects, and the final section is going to go over 3 Kaggle competitions that I personally have entered that have a time series ilk in them. So you're going to learn a lot in this course if you decide to take it. I did ask for $29.99 for the course, and the reason why is because you're going to get 33 videos and almost 9 hours of instruction. And I thought, well, since I put so much effort into this course, I thought I would ask for a little bit more money. So that's why it's a little bit more. It's $29.99 and not the $19.99 because I did put so much effort into the course. You're going to get 33 videos. So 5 of those videos are going to be an introduction to time series analysis and forecasting. And 12 of those videos are going to be exploring different models and time series analysis and prediction. And then another, we'll say 11 videos are going to be projects that we're going to be covering. And then the last 3 videos are going to be 3 competitions that I entered in Kaggle. So if you're interested in entering a Kaggle competition, then this is definitely a course that you need to be taking because in addition to the 3 Kaggle competitions that I entered, and I'm going to go over the code with you, 2 of the projects are going to be Kaggle data sets, and I'm going to go over the code with those Kaggle data sets. So it's going to be really exciting. If you like to learn, if you're interested in time series and you don't know anything about it, then this is going to be a really good course for you to take. In addition to that, whenever I was going over the code, sometimes the code didn't work, and so I had to troubleshoot the code while I was making the video. So you get a chance to see some of my troubleshooting techniques and how I troubleshoot the code. So that would be interesting for you to see how to actually troubleshoot faulty code. And we also go into the fact that sometimes libraries will change, and then so you have to stay abreast of the changes in the libraries because libraries will change, and so you'll write a program and put it away and come back maybe a year later and look at it and it won't work anymore. And the reason why is because the library that you have used has changed. And sometimes Python changes as well. There are some methods in Python that have been deprecated as well. So a lot of changes go on in the library. So Python and the libraries in Python are always changing. You have methods that are deprecated and you can't use them anymore. And so it's just a really exciting time in programming, and it's a really exciting time in time series analysis and forecasting. So the libraries that you're going to be learning about in this course are going to be stats models and Facebook profit. So stats models originally had been part of the SciPy library, but eventually they took it out of the SciPy library and made it a library on its own. Stats models is not very easy to work with, and it's really hard. I don't know if you've ever looked on the Stats Models library, they do not give you a lot of example code. And as a result of that, you have to go onto the internet and look at example code. But the one thing about this course is you're going to be getting the code for this course. And that's great news. That's fantastic news. You're going to be getting the code for almost 9 hours of instruction, and you're going to be getting the code for 33 videos, and you're getting all that code with this course. And so what you're going to learn in the introduction is you're going to learn about time series analysis. You're going to be given a tutorial on stats models. You're going to be given a tutorial on Facebook profit, and you're going to learn a little bit about multivariate Facebook profit. And then when we go through the models that we're going to explore, we're going to look at the baseline or lag data set, the Holt Winters triple exponential smoothing model, random walk model, the naive method, the simple average method, the moving average method, auto regression, arithma, simple exponential smoothing, the Holt method, which is double exponential smoothing, XGBoost, random forest, and FB profit. And the projects that we're going to be going over the code with are going to be tractor sales, sickness at work data set, waste collection data set, exponential smoothing examples, births in California data set, number of employees data set, shampoo sales data set, a Ceramex example, energy consumption data set, monkeypox data set. And I'd also like to say that we're going, in addition to the traditional classical time series modeling techniques with stats models, we're also going to be using machine learning techniques and using XGBoost and random forest from sklearn. We're also going to be studying a little bit about multivariate time series analysis. So we're going to study the VAR, that's vector autoregression data set, and the VARMA data set, that's vector autoregression moving average. So that's everything that you're going to be learning in this course. And at the end of the course, the last section of the course, I'm going to take you through 3 Kaggle competitions that I personally entered, and you'll be getting the code for that. So if you're interested in this course, it's $29.99 for 33 videos and almost 9 hours of instruction. And if the course isn't for you, if you take the course and then you find out that the course isn't for you, well, Udemy will refund your money. So really, the only thing that you have to lose is your time. Because if you don't like the course, then Udemy will refund the money. I hope you don't. I hope you do like the course. I worked very hard on it. I did. I worked very hard on it. There was problems with the code, and I troubleshot the code in the videos, and I tried to keep you updated about what was going on with the programs, and so I worked very hard on this course. So I hope you like it, and I hope you decide to take it. Goodbye.